Morning everyone. Welcome to today's presentation titled Transforming Real Estate Exploring the Virtual Reality Revolution. I am Navya and I am excited to guide you through the fascinating intersection of virtual reality, augmented reality and the real estate industry. Let's begin by defining our key terms. Virtual reality or VR immerses users in a computer generated environment typically experienced through headsets or goggles. Augmented reality or AR overlays digital information onto the physical world, often viewed through smartphones or specialized glasses. These technologies are rapidly evolving and making waves across various industries, including gaming, healthcare, and of course, real estate. Traditional real estate marketing faces numerous challenges that can hinder the buying and selling process. These include limited reach, making it difficult to connect with potential buyers, time-consuming property visits that may not always yield a sale, and the challenge of visualizing spaces based solely on static images or descriptions. These obstacles can lead to frustration for both buyers and sellers alike. Now, let's explore how VR is revolutionizing property viewing. VR technology offers immersive virtual tours that allow potential buyers to step inside a property from the comfort of their own home. Imagine putting on a VR headset and instantly being transported to a beautifully staged living room, or walking through a virtual garden to explore the outdoor space. With VR, buyers can experience properties as if they were physically present, saving time and resources for both parties. Augmented reality or AR is also making its mark on the real estate industry by transforming property visualization. AR technology overlays digital information onto the physical world, providing buyers with a unique perspective on properties. For example, using a smartphone or tablet, potential buyers can point their device at a property and see digital markers highlighting key features or potential renovations. This interactive experience enhances buyers' understanding of a property and helps them envision its full potential. As we look to the future, the potential of virtual reality and augmented reality in real estate is vast and exciting. These transformative technologies are poised to revolutionize how properties are marketed, sold, and experienced. One emerging trend is virtual staging, where VR and AR technologies are used to digitally furnish and decorate properties. This allows potential buyers to visualize themselves in a space more easily and can significantly enhance the appeal of vacant or unfurnished properties. Another trend is remote property inspections using drones. Drones equipped with cameras can capture high-resolution images and videos of properties, providing buyers with comprehensive views of the exterior and surrounding area. This remote inspection capability is particularly valuable for properties in remote or inaccessible locations. Personalized virtual showings represent yet another trend. With VR and AR, real estate agents can create personalized virtual tours tailored to each buyer's preferences and requirements. This level of customization enhances the buying experience and helps buyers make more informed decisions. Future integration. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even greater integration of VR and AR into the real estate industry. These technologies will become increasingly sophisticated and accessible, opening up new opportunities for marketing, sales, and customer engagement. For example, VR and AR could be integrated into online property listings, allowing potential buyers to take virtual tours of properties directly from their web browser or mobile device. This immersive experience could significantly increase engagement and lead to faster sales. Additionally, real estate professionals may leverage VR and AR for interactive property showcases and virtual open houses. These virtual events can attract a wider audience and provide buyers with a more engaging and informative experience than traditional in person showings. In summary, the future of VR and AR in real estate is bright, with emerging trends such as virtual staging, remote property inspection using drone, and personalized virtual showings, paving the way for even greater integration and innovations. By embracing these technologies, real estate professionals can stay ahead of curve and deliver exceptional experiences to buyers and sellers alike. Throughout this presentation, we have explored how virtual reality and augmented reality are revolutionizing the real estate industry, from enhancing property viewing experiences to transforming property visualization. VR and AR offer innovative solutions to traditional marketing challenges. We have seen how these technologies empower real estate professionals to provide immersive, interactive experiences for buyers and sellers alike. As we have seen, the potential of VR and AR in real estate is vast and ever expanding. Whether you are a real estate agent looking to showcase properties in a new light or a buyer seeking a more immersive home buying experience, exploring VR and AR technology further can unlock exciting opportunities. I encourage you to delve deeper into these technologies, experiment with different tools and platforms, and discover how they can elevate your real estate business. Thank you.